Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Vanguard user mode serviced high CPU Valorant. So basically, there's a couple of ways in order for us to fix this problem, and one of the easiest one is simply by restarting our Valorant game. So in here, you just want to head over to your browser, head over to your task manager, and simply inside you want to make sure that there are no Riot games running on your device like League of Legends, Valorant, or maybe the other ones that they have right here. Well, after that, we then want to disable Riot processes or Riot Vanguard. So once again, you want to make sure that the Riot Valorant is currently closed on your computer, and from there we then want to find Vanguard right here. So in our case, it's going to be the Vanguard train notification. You just want to make sure to simply go ahead and close or click on the exit Vanguard button. Now note that this will turn off Riot Vanguard games depending on the functionality and will stop working until you restart your computer. You can just simply click on the yes button, restart your computer, and see if it works out. Right after, you then want to go ahead and change the priority onto your task manager once again. So let's just head over to our task manager, click on details, and from here you then want to look for the vgtray.exe, or this is going to be the Vanguard. Just right click on it, click on set priority, and you want to set it below above normal. So we have normal, below normal, and low. Basically, what usually happens is that it will set automatically into something like above normal, high, or real time, and this will go ahead and cause that specific problem. So from there, once again, just restart your device and then you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.